Let's begin with latest news from Bangladesh. Office of the Chief Justice of Bangladesh on Thursday expressed deep concern over an incident where lawyers threw an egg at a judge in the High Court on Wednesday. A group of lawyers entered the courtroom during the ongoing proceedings and accused Justice Mohammad Ashraful Kamal of making derogatory remarks about former President and Bangladesh Nationalist Party founder Ziaur Rahman in his observations related to the 16th Amendment case verdict in 2016. During the confrontation, one of the lawyers threw an egg that hit the desk in front of the judge's seat. In other news from Bangladesh, at least 6 people have been arrested and 21 detained in the case involving the death of an advocate during clashes following the arrest of Hindu monk Chinmoy Krishnadas Brahmachari. Meanwhile, India-based think tank Risks and Rights Analysis Group has gone after the Yunus government by filing a complaint with the UN Working Group on what they call the arbitrary detention of Das by the Bangladesh government.
The visuals on your screen are of massive protests in Bangladesh that follow the arrest of the Hindu leader Chinmoy Krishnadas Brahmachari. He was arrested on Monday on sedition charges and denied bail on Tuesday. Bangladesh's High Court on Wednesday asked the government to inform the court about the stance that it took regarding Hindu religious organization ISKCON, its activities, and what steps it has taken about it. The court also passed the order after hearing a writ petition seeking a ban on ISKCON and issuance of Section 144 in Chattogram and Rangpur to ward off any unwanted incident. The court ordered Attorney General Asaduzzaman to apprise them of the government's stance over the issue by Thursday, reports United News of Bangladesh. The Chittagong police have arrested at least 6 people suspected to be involved in the death of the advocate Saiful Islam during clashes, while police attempted to transport Sanatan Jagran Manch spokesperson Chinmoy Prabhu to jail. According to official sources, the police have detained another 21 persons for their alleged involvement in the vandalism and carrying out of attacks on the law enforcement members during the clash on Tuesday in Chittagong court premises. ISKCON Pundrik Dham's Chinmoy Krishnadas and Bangladesh Sammalit Sanatan Jagran Jyoth have been advocating on behalf of the Hindu community across Bangladesh, raising 8-point demands for the safety and rights of minorities. Chinmoy Prabhu was arrested by the Dhaka police on Monday from Dhaka airport while he reached there to catch a flight for Chittagong. India's ruling Bharatiya Janata Party leaders and workers, led by West Bengal leader of opposition Suvendu Adhikari, held a protest march to the Bangladesh consulate in Kolkata on Wednesday. In New Delhi, Union Minister Giriraj Singh said that attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh reflects that the interim government of that country is in the clutches of fundamentalists and sought the intervention of the United Nations in the matter.
अब समय आ गया है कि अब संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ को भी इस पर संज्ञान में लेना चाहिए.
India's Ministry of External Affairs on Tuesday expressed deep concern over Chinmoy Krishnadas's arrest and denial of bail. New Delhi said that it's unfortunate that perpetrators of these incidents remain at large, while a religious leader is pressed with charges. Amid widespread violence and social unrest, the Rights and Risks Analysis Group on Wednesday filed a complaint with the UN Working Group against illegal and arbitrary detention of Chinmoy Krishnadas Brahmachari. The harassment of media personnel is also on the rise in Bangladesh. The Newspaper Owners Association of Bangladesh has expressed its serious concern over frequent attacks on the freedom of the media in the country. Committee to Protect Journalists, a US-based global media rights body, also called for a swift investigation into the threats of violence against leading dailies of Bangladesh, the Daily Star and Pratham Alo, which were threatened in recent days. With Naval Singh Parmar in Dhaka, Bureau Report, DD India.